Got for me, man.
They don't give a fuck about me, like who the fuck are you? Why the fuck you here? Like what the fuck you do? They don't give a fuck about me, like who the hell cares? Middle finger in the air, asking these questions, they must give a fuck about me.
I give, but I don't give a fuck. When I see a real nigga, I'm starstruck. Cause these niggas out here ain't real. These niggas out here wanna squeal. These niggas just fake like a fire drill. And me, I'm happy on the Molly pill. Don't fuck up my high, don't fuck up my vibe. All y'all broke cause you can't pay attention. These fake niggas, get them extensions. These bitch niggas are just like women. Cause just like women, they all need attention. I don't fuck with them and fuck their needs. I just pick them all out like weed receipts. I guess hating on me is an easy deed. Cause Dewey has everything you niggas need. Just admit that you niggas really envy me. Got your bitch on my Facebook friend me. She saw pictures on my body, now she's on her knees. Graduated from swag, got my swag degree. I can teach swag, but you can't afford to be. I think a better earth will be a whore to me. Cause I'm so short and confident about it. Middle finger up because
like who the fuck are you? Why the fuck you here? Like what the fuck you do? They don't give a fuck about me, like who the hell cares? Middle fingers in the air, asking these questions, they must give a fuck about me. Man, I'm so done with the dumb shit, I'ma let it just slow burn. You a hater right now, whatever nigga, but get in line and wait your turn. So many haters in this world, and it's crazy cause nobody know what love is. I feel like every second, every minute I get a hater, but now I'm just like, fuck it, faded. Off of these niggas that say I can't make it, but who are you? I'm living life to the fullest, so if I was you, I would hate you too. So much shit on my mind. After this song, y'all don't get no more time. If you don't give a fuck about me, oh well. Do you expect me to cry? Y'all like, damn. How that nigga just do that? Yeah, cause a young nigga like me can do that, Keep calm, bitch. I don't give a fuck if they don't give a fuck. Man, I don't give a fuck that they don't give a fuck about me. Like who the fuck are you? Why the fuck you here? Like what the fuck you do? They don't give a fuck about me. Like who the hell cares? Middle fingers in the air, asking these questions, they must give a fuck about me. Man, they must give a fuck about me. I know they do. I know they do.